Hi there! In our last video, we covered some of the basics that TinyMCE Advanced can do. In this video, we will explore the plugin a little deeper. Generally, the first block is a paragraph block, and you can start typing within it. As you move your cursor over the block, the menu pops up, and you can find the buttons you can customize and add in. These are the buttons we added in the first video. If we save this draft and go back to the Settings tab, we can move some of our settings here to the sidebar. Once we go back to our post and reload the page, the changes take effect. Let me now demonstrate to you how clear formatting works. You can format your text, for example, with a link, bold, and italics tool. If you click clear formatting with nothing selected within your block, it will remove all of your formatting. If you select specific text within your block, however, it will clear the formatting for the selected text. Now let's add a classic paragraph block. The entire TinyMCE editor is inside of it. It works pretty much just like the way it works in the classic editor. You can do everything you're used to doing within it, like for example, adding tables and adding images. What's good about this is that you can convert all of it to blocks. Now, the text turns into a paragraph block, and the image turns into an image block. You can simply undo this though if you want it back into the classic paragraph block. Similarly, if you have several paragraph blocks, you can select all of them and convert them into a classic paragraph block. And of course, you can convert them with ease into standard paragraph blocks. The conversion from selected blocks only works when paragraph blocks are selected. You also have the list and quote options. Thanks for watching.